Hello, my name is Callum and I'm an apprentice at iTFT Computers. So this computer has a Ryzen AMD 7 in it, what is a really powerful CPU, and it runs very well within games. It also has a GeForce RTX GPU in it, what is very good with the FPS within games. Yesterday I tested it playing Fortnite for quite a while, and it actually performed really well with over 100 FPS. It is actually much better than my PlayStation at home, what is like looks at 60 FPS, what is not fun, and this PC actually makes it look very realistic. We are currently in the process of building another computer similar like this with this AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, what I think will function very well.